Speaker, okay. So, first off, yung po naging testimony natin.
Unang-una, nagpapasalamat ako sa ICI. I'm very glad that I was invited to the ICI to share my personal knowledge on the budget process. And of course, any information about the insertions on the flood control. That was the basis of my invitation. I'm glad to have shared any and all personal knowledge and information to the ICI because I want to help the ICI in this investigation. We want to support the investigation, the fact-finding, to resolve the issues surrounding the concerns of the ICI. So, papasalamat ako talaga sa member ng ICI that I was finally given an opportunity to share my side of the story. So, kumbaga sa ngayon po, it's about facts and evidence and hindi lang political noise or speculations. Kaya the ICI commissioners were able to ask me many questions and I was able to answer it. And I feel very, very happy and I welcome this opportunity to share all in Island.
So, yung representative ko, ano pong tingin na dapat ninyo?
Well, the ICI will have resource persons invited here and we shall await for the same.
Sir, but do you think we should come back to the plan?
Well, any of the resource persons who are invited here, we expect them to return.
Sir, babalik po kayo sa commission?
I'm ready to come back to the commission anytime I'm invited so that if I can share more information, I will do so.
So, yung comment lang ba?
Sir, release your SALN?
I will do at the instance of the commission. So,
Sir, yung speaker. Sir, pupunta ko kayo sa question natin.
I'm not invited.
Sir, yung kung sinabi ng witness ni Senator Marcoleta, and would you like to comment yung kay already?
Well, the witnesses that were presented are discredited already for having presented falsified documents in the form of the testimony. And their testimonies have already been denied by the...
But do you confirm po that he was part of your security?
He's not part of my security.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Kung nakakapag-usap pa kayo ni Santi po.
Thank you.